Hello everyone, welcome to Asha Coding. I am Asha Satik. Today we are going to learn what is floated elements. Okay, let us go to the class. Floated elements is a layout methodology. It is a old methodology, but learning floated elements is very essential. Okay, we will see the floated elements in the practical class. I have created a div named container and its child that child is floated element. It is also a div. Okay, we style them. We give with 50 pixel height, 50 pixel background color red. We will see in this screen is a red colored box. Okay, this is the red colored box floated element. We will see the red color box inside the container. Please remember the red color box inside the container. In other words, the container holds the red color box. Okay, now we make the red color box as a floated element. What will happen? The red color floated elements leaves the container. So the floated element does not give the height to the container. Remember, the floated element does not give height to the container. So the container minimized. It only shows the border. And see, you can see the floated element is floated to even it can be floated left or right. I floated left. The floated element only take position at the where the containers content area starts, where the containers content area starts. From only the float is starts begins. So the floated element leaves the normal document flow, but its containing block is its direct parent only. Its containing block is direct parent only. It starts from its content area of its container. Its content area of its container. It does not give any height to the container. Its parent, it's to its parent. Okay, we will check what will happen to its siblings. We give direct inline elements. For example, text notes we give. The Even the floated element does not give any height to its container. The sibling of the container, the the sibling of the floated element text notes. Hello, good morning, welcome to Asha Coding. Gives height to the container. But you can see the inline element never overlapped the floated element. So any inline elements never overlap, never goes beyond the floated element. This is the very important. The text notes, the inline elements never overlap the floated elements. So even though the floated elements removed from the normal document flow, but the siblings, the following element sense understands there is the floated element. So any element never go beyond the floated element. Okay, what we understand, floated element does not give any height to its parent. Floated element removed from normal document flow. Floated element starts from its direct parent's content area. So floated elements containing block is its direct parent. Okay, we can see margin right 20 pixel. What will happen? See, the text nodes are moving away because the floated elements margin also affect the following siblings contents inline elements. You can see the hello, good morning, welcome to Asha Coding. Text notes are going away from the floated element. So floated elements margin also sensed by the inline elements. So floated elements, even they are left the normal document flow, they are being sensed. What will happen if you use it will be you can see previously we see only floated elements and text nodes only. Now you see, even though the sibling of the floated element is a black element, the black element overlap only background colors only background color only. But the text nodes of the black element is also sense the floated elements margins. It's also sense the floated elements margins. This is very important. Even though the floated element left the normal document flow and aligns left or right, it's being sensed by the following black level element, following inline element. Even the elements are following the black floated elements, following the inline elements, they sense the margins of the floated elements. This is important. So what you learned from the floated elements, floated elements means it's a layout methodology. It leaves the normal document flow. It aligns its direct parent's content area, even left or right only. The following inline and black level elements sense its margins. Okay, this is the floated elements concepts. Now we can make the floated element to the right. Okay, the elements go the right position. This is the floated element. I hope you have understand the floated elements. Okay. Thanks. We will see in the next class.